Supalite manufactures a lightweight roofing system. The application for that is existing conservatories. So people have these old conservatories on the back of their house and starting to look a bit old and tired. And with the Supalite roof, you can transform that conservatory into a year-round usable living space. Pre-COVID, we had like 15% year-on-year growth. During just the times just after the pandemic, we had quite a significant boom to business because people were sat in the house, staring at the same four walls. They couldn't spend the money on holidays or the usual things, you know, going out and exploring. We wanted to sustain that pre-COVID growth, around about 15% a year. I mean, the ultimate growth we're aiming for is 20%. I think some of the challenges faced by female business leaders are having that balance of family and work and just being able to make sure they can keep everything running smoothly. And I think that can be the case if you've got the right support. I think a programme like this helps you to sort of reevaluate the priorities in life. Part of the Women's Scaling Up programme, I joined 11 other female business leaders from Lancashire, and we took part in boardroom sessions, one-to-one workshops, an outdoor event day. The biggest takeaway from the 2.0 programme for me was self-reflection, really looking within and getting to know myself a bit more and develop as a person. Because we have 4 sites, it does come with its problems at times, so the ultimate plan for Supalite would be to get one central location that's purpose-built for us. More plans for the future, succession planning. We want to develop our current team to step up and take control.